WarriorPlus Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to WarriorPlus and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Now, let's get straight to the review. WarriorPlus is a well-known affiliate network focused on digital products, mainly in the internet marketing, make money online, and software niches. It connects product creators with affiliates looking to promote online courses, software tools, and digital training programs. If you're into affiliate marketing and want to promote products with high commissions, instant payouts, and a wide selection of digital offers, WarriorPlus is one of the top networks to consider. Features. WarriorPlus provides a user-friendly marketplace where affiliates can browse thousands of digital products, check sales statistics, and apply to promote offers. The platform offers detailed tracking for clicks, sales, and commissions, helping affiliates optimize their promotions. One of its key features is the instant commission option, where affiliates can get paid directly to their PayPal account as soon as a sale is made. Additionally, WarriorPlus has a built-in funnel system, allowing affiliates to earn commissions on upsells and recurring payments. Strengths. The biggest advantage of WarriorPlus is its high commission rates, often ranging from 50% to 100% on front-end offers. Many products come with upsells and recurring billing, giving affiliates multiple earning opportunities per sale. The instant payout system is another major plus, as it eliminates long waiting periods for commission payments. The marketplace is constantly updated with new products, ensuring affiliates always have fresh offers to promote. Additionally, WarriorPlus is beginner-friendly, making it easy to get started without advanced technical skills. Weaknesses. One of the main downsides of WarriorPlus is the quality of some products. Since it focuses heavily on digital marketing and MMO, make money online niches, there are many low-quality or overhyped products. Affiliates need to carefully review offers before promoting them to avoid damaging their reputation. Another drawback is the competition. Since many affiliates promote the same products, it can be challenging to stand out without a strong strategy. Lastly, the approval process varies by vendor, meaning new affiliates may struggle to get accepted for certain high-converting offers. Final verdict. WarriorPlus is a great affiliate network for those looking to promote digital products with high commissions and instant payouts. It's beginner-friendly and offers a wide selection of offers, but affiliates need to be selective to ensure they promote high-quality products. If you want to start earning with WarriorPlus, check out the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips.